What is the value of the expression 99 minus open parenthesis 5 plus 4 close parenthesis divided by 3 times 5 plus 1 inside the parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is very tricky and 98% of people get it wrong. Let's break it down and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, go straight to the first parenthesis and simplify this expression to 99 minus 9 divided by 3 times 5 plus 1 inside the parenthesis. And the next step, they go to the subtraction between 99 and 9 and simplify this expression to 90 divided by 3 times 5 plus 1 inside the parenthesis. Then, they perform the division between 90 and 3 and write this expression as 30 times 5 plus 1 inside the parenthesis. And the final step, they go to the expression inside the parenthesis and simplify to 30 times 6, which eventually gives them the answer 180. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside both parentheses and simplify to 99 minus 9 divided by 3 times 6. And the next step, they go to the multiplication between 3 and 6 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, they simplify this expression to 99 minus 9 divided by 18. And the final step, they perform the division between 9 and 18 because they say division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 99 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 98.5. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's go step by step together and I will show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then parentheses, followed by a division sign. After that we have a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have the highest priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 99 minus 9 divided by 3 times 6. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 9 and 3, and instead of this expression, we can write 99 minus 3 times 6. And the final step, we handle the multiplication between 3 and 6, and this expression simplifies to 99 minus 18, which finally gives us the answer 81. That's great. Option B is the correct answer to this question.